Hello everyone, I'm Justin Henry and I have a company that helps people buy and sell homes along the 380 corridor between Denton and McKinney, and sometimes not so much on the 380 corridor too. Please take a minute to like and subscribe to this channel if you live anywhere in this area or thinking of moving to this area. We've been helping people sell their homes along this region for real estate well over the last 20 years. Now, rates and prices, that's the name of the game. I just heard something on the news from Goldman Sachs that they're saying that they think rates will stay higher through June 2024. Initially, when I heard this, I thought, man, that's not what I've been hearing. How could that be possible? But consider what's been actually happening over the last 7 to 10 years is that money's been really cheap. They've actually kept the rates artificially low to promote business. Now, the likelihood of the Fed keeping rates higher for a longer period of time to counterbalance this adjustment with lower interest rates, that certainly could be into play. So the simple truth is no one really knows what's going to happen, but the likelihood of any very fast moves occurring with rates up or down is just probably not in the cards. So with that tidbit information out of the way, let's get right into our neighborhoods, and we're going to discuss all the things that happen in those today. Our simple truth is that prices have been coming down, not as quickly as you might think or it looks and appears, but if you look at this hot sheet right here that I pull up direct from my MLS, this is 76227 zip code for the Aubrey area. You can tell that there is exactly 41 price decreases that has happened over the last 7 days. On the flip side, only 29 active homes have come online. In essence, compared to what you see in the summer months, that's not that bad. 30 closed as well in the last 30 days or in the last 7 days, so that's not that bad as well. So let's go ahead and break down our neighborhoods. Okay, we're going to talk about Savannah, Hillstone Pointe, and Silverado and Aspen Meadows today. Silverado, you got 30 active. You've got one option contract. 15 have sold in the last 15 days for an average of 393 active. Keep in mind, these are all pre-existing homes. There are new construction in here. These are pre-existing sales. So we had over 15 sold pre-existings in the last 15 days. 30 are active. Hillstone Pointe, active 5 properties. 3 have closed in the last 15 days with an average of 357. With an average of 9,000 minus the list. So they took a hit on their sale to close ratio, their list is close ratio there at Hillstone. Silverado, there are 18 active, 1 coming soon. There's 1 under contract, 5 prospects of buying. We're here to help. Give me a call or certainly like and subscribe.